How you going, guys? If you've got this model Prado 2009 to 2013, you've got this auxiliary port and sort of USB here. So we did actually include our kit one to like match that. Now we're probably going to take it out of the kit and just have it as an extra if you really want to go and do that, because there's a couple of issues here. Like one, you got to get this whole thing off to get it to there. It's a pain. Two, the faster option is we just include a twin USB in here and a piggyback like cable, so you can like easily tap into our system for power, and you can get your a quick charge port on there, and you get a pass-through USB that goes to here. You won't get your auxiliary working. So if auxiliary is really important to you, then that will be an issue. We will hold these in stock still. You can purchase them, but we won't be putting them in the kits. If you did have one, that means at the other end you've got this a white plug here, which will go into our auxiliary plug down the bottom here, and that would normally have two USBs and it's like a micro sort of phone on it. So you can see it's got like a microphone here, and you can see it's got one extra USB here, so that gives you your second USB. So I would probably put that one into the plug for this, for our quick charge, and then the other USB is obviously sort of go into here. And then it's also got this brown plug, which you sort of normally wouldn't use, which is actually the auxiliary in plug. Again, goes into our auxiliary in plug. So that is obviously you guys don't know, but it is going to the auxiliary port here. And then it also has a video in, which if you did want to use it for a third type of video in, you can. It's just slightly different from the kits we normally have, because normally it would be customized like this. So we are going to take it out of the kits in the future. If you do want this, contact us. We can let you purchase it. In the future, you're going to be having your a quick charge port here, a piggyback port, which means you can easily hook this up like that for power, and the only thing you won't have is your auxiliary working. We've just adjusted the kit a bit, and we've just put our dual charger in here. So the top ones are sort of audio, so that's the pass through. So that USB will just plug into a USB coming out the back of our unit. The bottom one is a quick charge port, which we will include a piggyback cable here, and you just got to actually cut the power off, because we have a piggyback plug on here, and hook it into the red and black wire. That there is also what you do to get your quick charge working, and you'll have a pass-through USB. You will no longer have this working. That or that both won't work. If you really want to get this working, contact us, because we do have this as a special cable, but it is a bit of a pain to install because the console has to come out to get to it. Up to you.